In today's video, I am going to teach you how to uninstall Claude Code on Windows. By the end, you will have the app cleanly removed using the built-in Windows tools, and you won't need any extra software. This walkthrough applies to both Windows 11 and Windows 10, and I will point out the small naming differences as we go, so you know exactly what to click. First, make sure the Claude desktop app isn't running in the background. If you have any open Claude Code windows, close them now. Then look down at the system tray near the clock. If you see the Claude icon there, right-click it and choose Quit or Exit. This step matters because an app that's still running can block the uninstall process or leave behind components that should be removed. Next, open Windows Settings. You can click the Start button and choose the gear icon or press Windows +I on your keyboard. In Settings, go to Apps. On Windows 11, click Installed Apps. On Windows 10, this section is called Apps and Features. You'll see a list of everything currently installed on your PC. Now, find the Claude entry. The quickest way is to use the search field at the top of the Installed Apps or Apps and Features page and type Claude. If your view doesn't have a search box, you can sort by name and scroll until you see Claude or Claude Code in the list. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the desktop application entry. When you've located it, click the three dots to the right of the entry on Windows 11. Or select the entry itself on Windows 10 and choose Uninstall. Windows may show a confirmation prompt asking if you are sure. Confirm to continue. You might also see a user account control prompt. If so, allow it to proceed. The uninstaller may open a small window that guides you through the final removal steps. Follow the on-screen instructions and let the process complete without interrupting it. This ensures all associated components are fully removed. Once the window closes, the app should no longer appear in your installed apps or apps and features list. If you had a taskbar shortcut pinned, it will likely disappear. If it doesn't, it won't launch anymore, and you can unpin it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully uninstalled Claude Code using Windows built-in tools, which is the recommended and most reliable approach. Thanks for watching.